This is the DR02 from Deep Robotics. And what we're seeing here goes far beyond a typical robotics demonstration. The latest footage shows a machine that is becoming faster, smarter, and far more capable in environments where real work needs to get done. One of the first things that stands out is how naturally the DR02 moves. It jogs across a park with impressive balance and confidence, handling uneven grassy terrain without any visible struggle. The smooth movement makes it clear that humanoid robotics has come a long way in a relatively short time. Things get even more interesting when the robot enters an industrial environment. The DR02 navigates a complex electrical substation, moving through areas filled with obstacles and infrastructure. It easily steps over safety barriers, climbs and descends concrete staircases, and maintains its stability throughout the process. These are the kinds of tasks that can be surprisingly difficult for robots, yet the DR02 handles them with remarkable precision. The robot also demonstrates its ability to perform useful operational work. At one point, it approaches an open electrical control panel and carefully manipulates switches inside. That level of accuracy is a big step forward because it shows the robot can interact with equipment designed for human hands and human-sized workers. Instead of simply moving around a space, it's actively engaging with the environment and carrying out meaningful tasks. Another major improvement is its increased payload capacity. The DR02 can now carry heavier loads, making it much more useful for industrial applications. Whether it's assisting workers, transporting equipment, or operating in locations that may be dangerous for people, this added strength expands the range of jobs the robot can handle. Every upgrade seems focused on one goal: making humanoid robots genuinely useful in everyday operations. Better mobility, stronger carrying capacity, improved obstacle navigation, and more precise manipulation all contribute to that vision. And just when you think you've seen everything, the DR02 finishes with an impressive backflip on the grass, showing off the athleticism and control built into the system. What makes this development so exciting is that it reflects a larger shift happening across the robotics industry. Humanoid robots are no longer being designed solely to showcase advanced engineering. They are increasingly being built as practical tools that can work alongside humans and solve real-world challenges. The DR02 is a great example of how quickly this technology is advancing. Capabilities that once seemed futuristic are starting to become reality, and robots like this are moving closer to deployment in industries where reliability, safety, and efficiency matter most. As these systems continue to improve, it'll be fascinating to watch how they become part of daily workflows in factories, infrastructure facilities, construction sites, and many other environments. The future of robotics is arriving faster than many people expected, and the DR02 offers a glimpse of what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on the latest breakthroughs shaping the future of robotics.